Yeah, that's very difficult to give advice on. I think it's probably more difficult. Well, it's hopefully less difficult today than it was 10 or 20 or 50 years ago. I was just reading about Vera Rubin. Vera Rubin is she still alive? She's one of the greatest astronomers of the she was one of the greatest astronomers of the 20th century. She's now almost 90, and when she asked information, that was in the 40s, I think, about a PhD in Princeton, she didn't even get a reply because women were not admitted to PhD in that university. So of course the situation hopefully has changed, but it's still much more it's still much difficult, especially in certain fields. So I think again might be obvious, but I think you need to have a lot of patience and a lot of dedication to your own intellectual research. And the case of Vera Rubin, I mean, she had to change many universities and encounter incredible difficulties, but in the end, I mean, she was able to make these very important discoveries about dark matter and left a visible mark in the history of astronomy. And she said something which I think is quite interesting, that because sometimes we think that the problem is teaching young girls or encouraging young girls towards science or certain types of science. She said the importance is to convey the idea that there is nothing that girls or female children cannot do or cannot study. They can study whatever they want, whatever they're interested. Of course, it takes a lot of motivation, and but this, I think, is true for everybody in research.